So using chain rule, let's differentiate e raised to power s also raised to power what? 2. Okay. First of all, since we are using chain rule, we know that our exponents will be what the u, which is what s raised to power 2. So while the y will be equal to what? E raised to power what? U. Okay. Our du, the x is equal to what? 2x. While our dy or du is equal to what? E raised to power u. Obviously, since we are using the chain rule, it's known that the y or the s is interacting the u over what? The x times the y over what? The u. Okay? I'll say it's equal to our du, the x is what? Is 2x. While our dy du, this times, our dy du is what? Is e raised to power u. Okay? Since we are multiplying them together, it's essentially going to be 2x e. Anytime you see u, raise it, put it as what? S is to power 2. Okay? So it is known that this problem can be solved using what? Chain rule. Okay? Thank you for listening to this presentation. I'll see you next time. Thank you.